In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Xero QR code. We'll walk through where to find the QR code you need when setting up multi-factor authentication in Xero, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start on the Xero website signed in on your computer. At the very top right of the dashboard, look for the small circle with your initials or your profile image. That's your account menu. Click it to open your personal settings. If you don't immediately see your initials, give the page a second to finish loading or zoom out slightly so the pie bar is fully visible. From that menu, choose Account. This takes you to your account and security settings, where Xero manages your sign-in details and protection options. It's the right place to control how you secure access to your profile. On this page, find the section labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. This is the extra layer of security that helps protect your login by requiring something on your phone in addition to your password. Click Set Up to begin the process. If you're working in a shared space, it's a good idea to make sure your screen isn't visible to others before you continue, since the next steps will display a code that's unique to your account. Next, select Use Xero Verify. Xero Verify is Xero's official authenticator app that can send you secure approvals or generate time-based codes. Choosing this option ensures the setup is straightforward and optimized for Xero. Have your phone handy so you can complete the pairing in one go. You'll now see a QR code appear on your computer screen. This is the key that pairs your account with your authenticator on your phone. Open your authenticator and use it to scan the code by pointing your phone's camera at the QR on your monitor. Align the code inside the camera frame and hold steady for a moment. If it doesn't scan right away, adjust the screen brightness, move a little closer, or tilt your phone to reduce glare. Make sure the entire code is visible on your screen, and avoid sharing or capturing the QR code in screenshots. Treat it as sensitive information tied to your login. Once the scan is successful, your phone and Xero account will be securely linked. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you're all set with the QR step completed. That's the process from start to finish. Open your account menu, go to Account, start multi-factor authentication, choose Use Xero Verify, and scan the QR code displayed. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to keep your sign-in details safe and your account protected.